Magandang gabi sa lahat at mayong gabi sa tanan. Ang bonus noches todos ustedes. Now, let's proceed to our activity number 9. This is a bean rack. Beans rack. According to somebody, there is a powder of gold here. So, now, we need to broke this kind of rock. So for separating the soft gold here inside the rock, and this is the result of this powder. And then after this powder burn into the fire without using any kind of acid. Burn into the fire, and the result is this one. Look at this, guys. It's a good result. Become a black diamond. I don't know, this is a black diamond or black gold. This is the result after this melting in without any acid. Put into the fire, and the result is this one. So thank you for watching, guys, and God bless.